Hi, I'm Carla Schultz, and I'm here to introduce you to a product that's not just innovative. It's a sustainable makeover for greeting cards. Clards. I created Clards to change the way we share emotions and connections. Watch this. Greeting becomes a soft, reusable cleaning cloth. So Clards take the guilt out of greeting cards because they transform into reusable, washable, and compostable cleaning cloths. Clards are my big idea, my contribution to reducing waste. Millions of trees and billions of gallons of water are used to produce single-use traditional greeting and paper towels every year. Clards are a sustainable way to share emotions without the environmental cost. Clards officially launched in November of 2020, and since then it's been a journey, selling over 3,500 cards in the first year. The numbers have been growing, slow but steady. In total, we've sold over 10,000 Clards. Printing greeting cards on this unique material wasn't as easy as I thought it would be. Creating the right sizes, filing for a patent, importing the materials, and the greatest challenge was convincing printers to work with this unusual substrate. There were moments of frustration, tears, and waste. I hate wasting. With determination and perseverance, I've secured a patent and made strides in the printing process that I can actually scale. I'm proud to say that I found a way to print Clards with a woman-owned printing company, delivering the quality and sustainability I've aimed for. So there you have it. My name is Carla Schultz, and Clards are my passion and contribution to a more sustainable and emotionally connected world. I invite you to join me on this journey and embrace the idea of sustainable greetings and make Clards a household name.